Hi, welcome back. Hello, professionals, students, and job aspirants. Let's try to have a look around that. What is the topic today? Top 10 reasons why SAP companies pays more salary for consultants in SAP or S4 HANA. So initially, when I joined my first job, I feel that, why he's paying for this kind of, small work for 45,000 rupees. Okay, my salary is bit different now after 10 years. That how the salaries will increase, that also we'll discuss in one topic. Let's try to understand this. Okay, first reason, especially for SAP, handling pressure. Okay, if you can able to absorb more pressure. Okay, that means you can stay long hours. You can try to, so like, severity ticket came, P1 ticket, it will come 11 o'clock, but your shift is general shift, it is got finished. You should be in a position to log in. Of course, they will give on-call elements, that is different story. Let's try to understand this. If they don't give also, if you wanted to sustain your job, you have to handle that pressure. Certain times, most of the times, SAP projects are in short duration. 6 months to 8 months, they will finish the implementation, or else phase by phase, every 6 months, every 4 months, 5 months, less than a 6 months, they will finish. Such a case, what happens in a short time, you have to find a solution. Your technical team also feel the amounts of pressure if the solution is not feasible to your business. If it is feasible but it takes more time, then you have to, in shortest deadlines, you have to be strong. Handling client, this is very, very important. If you have more escalations, customer is king, you know that, right? Your client will move. For example, if it is for Accenture, there is no doubt that Accenture is top company. It's all in the team's hand. If Accenture team for that particular project is bad, then it will go to Deloitte or IBM, any other client. Handling client is also important. So that is a key skill. That's why you will be paid high. Handling pressure and handling client. This is couple of situational analysis. According to the situation analysis, so what our client might ask, I want the tree plus monkey, okay, at one place. It is not possible. Okay, so you can give the tree slowly, it will grow. On top of it, monkey also you want it, you cannot get it. It is somewhere else. So like, so your requirements based on your situation, you have to, create the trust actually. Okay. ROI. Above three factors is for you. ROI is for, the company which is serving return on investment. For example, SAP generally it is going to implement on top companies. For example, if you take Reliance, Unilever, you take like Britannia, all these big companies, they're using as one of main software for their business up and run. So then return on investment. You can calculate what is return on investment. For example, manually 100 users punching sales orders in one legacy software after SAP implemented, only one or two users sufficient for. So then so 80 to 90,000 people lost salary, okay, and a classical way, and two skilled people get job with more salary in the same company. Okay, so you cannot think always a negative angle, positive angle also. Something you lose, something you will get it. If you do practice, if you do hard work, you'll get the job. If you don't do hard work, if you don't do practice, and you're finding shortcuts, so that will sustain you in the market, just like like this. You can understand what exactly it is. Okay, so I can say return on investment, so that if they can able to punch sales orders, I'm just in a year 1,000 sales orders with SAP, they can punch lakhs of sales orders, so that their production values increase and their manufacturing increase. Okay, finance side also, auditing and everything will be easy by using SAP software. That is the reason why ROI is one of the key factors. Their sales also increases, so 6 to 10%. It's not a joke on crores of budget actually. Okay, certain times 20%, 30% after taking a decade or something like that. User friendly, tailor made solutions you can able to give you. Okay, so in SAP it is easy because already package available. Communication is one of the key factor to sustain in the market. Hard to understand the solution. Certain times hard solutions, if you can able to crack the This one. Okay. For that, what you require? Patience and expertise. These are the only two factors. If you wanted to understand, that's why you will be paid more. Because of all these factors, you think that, if I'm going to outside institution, I'm learning SAP, I will be paid. Why I will be paid? Indirectly, you are learning all these skills in industry. Experience, it's also matters certain times. Okay, continuous learning. So you are domain expert in many vision. Before this is one of the key important point. We'll discuss this one. Before that, I would like to ask you, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel in YouTube. So this is one of my top posts, 103 hours. Okay. So SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistics Business Process Concepts. If you want, if you don't have footprints, you can try this. And irrespective of any module, if you like to be comfortable in your SAP job, preparing and requirement gathering and making business documents, so that, irrespective of any module, you can try this course. Okay, getting master. Here I have given a simple example. I have given a template for PPMM. If you are from other module, you download the template. Template format is same for preparing functional specification. You can write down and you can learn support process. Also a little introduction here. And if you have STO doubts, SAP SD ECC, okay, pricing concepts. If you want to learn this one, all these are the different courses, and more specifically for SD folks, I'll suggest this course. Real-time idoc training. You can, if you want, you can able to try all these courses. I'm just providing these links below of this video. So let's come back to our topic, continuous learning. So you are domain expert for many companies. For example, I worked in my first 2.5 or also 2 projects, you can call it as retail. I work so that, I have little expertise, because retail transactions are different. So that, how the retail business will run, what kind of promotions they will have. So 2.5 years we worked on the business. I got that expertise. And after that, I worked for one agri uh, relevant company. Okay. That gave some expertise, how agriculture products will be there, what kind of different formulas will be there. Okay, I worked for, BW complex, dashboards, coordination with BWBA consultants. Okay, got some experience. And after that, I worked for one support company, sorry, support providing service provider with one company, around 3.5. I got, short time how to resolve issues and how to handle support. I have that expertise, and I worked for rollouts, and I worked for, so that project is manufacturing, so that, I got some expertise on manufacturing. Okay. So I agree, manufacturing, retail, and after that I worked for banking one project, and after that one beer manufacturing, and again, certain projects I worked actually. Okay. Indian GST also I worked. So I know the little expertise. I'm not saying that, completely expert. Every day is a new day for learning. That is also one of the reason. If you can able to handle that pressure, you will be invited for more salaries. Okay. Domain expert for many businesses. Once you start working insurance or, these domains for projects, you'll come to know how the business runs up and run. Okay. So then you will become experts. So that's why when experience increases, you will be paid more. These are the main reasons. Don't think that, if for you they are paying this much, they're paying even that you cannot imagine figures more than 10 times more than to your company actually. Okay. So that's why they're staying in that, skyscraper buildings, big buildings. Almost you can touching the sky actually. All service IT companies. Okay, that's all for today. If you really wanted to be get that experience really to at your domain level, learn my SAP courses. If you are looking for SAP career in SAP SD, that's all for today. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat. All the best.